Hello everyone, Georg from JLPT-Do here, and today I'll be showing you how you can look at vocabulary explanations and how you can start conversations about specific vocabulary in JLPT-Do to help you study for the exam. So first of all, I'll just show you the dashboard and the vocabulary and kanji of the day. So here on the dashboard you see the vocabulary of the day and the kanji of the day. Every day a new vocabulary is shown on this dashboard, and the vocabulary depends on what level you select in your settings. So over here you can change your language settings to different proficiency levels, and here on this account the N5 level is selected, so we see a new vocabulary for the N5 level and a new kanji for the N5 level every day. And here we have the toka word, which means 10 days or the 10th day. And we can click on it to listen what it sounds like. So let's go.
Toka.
Toka, which means the 10th day. The second button here opens the vocabulary in the Jisho dictionary. So let's look here. We have the words inside searched here in the dictionary, and there you can check in and look at other words that are related and words that are not part of the JLPT language test. And the last button is this teacher icon, which you can click to look at a vocabulary explanation with example sentences and a conversation about this word. So here we have an explanation in Japanese using kanji and without kanji of the toka word, and as well a translation of the explanation. There's also some example sentences. Let's listen to one of them. So let's listen to this one.
今日は10日です。
今日は10日です。We see this explanation of the word and some example sentences, and then below we have a new conversation with an AI character. So here we have a conversation with Kiriko, and Kiriko asks us if we should talk about the 10th day, and describes how it is said. So let's just go ahead and say that indeed weather is nice. Hi, thank you. Weather is indeed really beautiful. Hi, thank you. Totemo kirei desu ne. And then let's say yes, let's talk about toka. Toka ni tsuite hanashimashou. Again, Kiriko replied. Let's listen.
10日は10日間という意味もありますね。例えば毎月10日は特別な日ですよ。何か特別なことをしますか?
Okay, so Kiriko said that the 10th day also means 10 days, and then said that the 10th of every month is a special day, and if we have something special. So here she said that 10-day toka can also be used to mean 10 days. So for example, if you go on holidays for 10 days, you can say toka kan, which is 10 days. So let's say to her we went on vacation for 10 days and see what she replies. So toka kan. Kan is the duration. Toka kan ko wo shimashita. And then we can talk more. We can say, for example, first we traveled to Berlin for 4 days, and then we traveled to another city for 3 days. So you can use other words that you know, other words maybe related to Toka, and start this conversation about 10 days and really get to know this vocabulary. Another way of starting a conversation about specific words is by clicking on JLPT vocabulary. And here you see the vocabulary for the different levels. And again, you see the 3 buttons, the speaker, the book, and the teacher. And here as well, you can click on those buttons. For example, if we have every morning, Mai-asa, let's listen first.
毎朝
Mai-asa, and then we can click on it and see again an explanation of the word and some example sentences and a conversation. Then we can talk here and talk with Hayato and say that every morning we eat breakfast, and then we can continue about what we eat for breakfast, or maybe what is our morning routine, something like this. So that's how you can look at vocabulary explanations and how you can talk about specific vocabulary. That's it for today. Thank you for listening, and 頑張ってありがとうございます。